Hey y'all, I'm back in Mama's Kitchen today sharing delicious, easy recipes for you and your family. And today I'm doing really one of my favorite things, salad, y'all. Salad is my favorite food. Chopped salad. I have a dream to open a place. Maybe I shouldn't share it. Y'all don't steal my idea. It's gonna be called Deen's Greens. I'd like to sell salad by the pound with fresh, delicious chicken and salmon and homemade croutons, homemade salad dressings. Doesn't sound awesome? All I need to do now is split myself in half, and then half of me can tend to my wife and 3 kids, and the other half, I might have to split myself into thirds. I don't know, it's a good idea anyway. And we're gonna start with a homemade salad dressing today. We're doing cranberries. It's fall time, y'all, so you know that we're gonna have cranberries, and there's gonna be pumpkins and all kinds of things around this time of year. So let's start with our salad dressing. It's really easy dressing, and it's the base to most of the salad dressings that I make. We've got apple cider vinegar, we've got some honey, some stone ground mustard, some salt, and look at this, whole fresh cranberries we're gonna go into our salad dressing today. If you want to, if you're not a big honey person, the other sweet to bring into this salad dressing recipe would be some maple syrup. A little bit of maple syrup with some apple cider vinegar and some mustard and some oil makes a delicious, easy. I digress, y'all. We're making something else today. Our fresh cranberries are in here. I've got our apple cider vinegar. Now getting honey through that hole is gonna be a trick. I'll just take it off. I hated to mess with it because, as I've said earlier, I don't really use food processors a bunch, and I think if I get the top off of here, I might not get it to work later. But Teresa and Eddie are here. They can help me.
I'm terrible with the food processor.
You're not terrible with anything. So we've got our mustard. A little bit of salt right here. Now we're gonna blend this up for about maybe 15 seconds or so. See what we got here? Let me get a spoon. Boy, this is a homemade salad dressing right here if I've ever seen it. Before I dress our whole salad, I'm gonna taste this. That's really good. The vinegar and the sweet from the honey are really delicious. And the tart cranberry is gonna give this salad a really big, bold flavor. I did this first because there's not much on this end. I've got some prepared salad mix here. I think I'm only gonna use one. There's 4 or 5 of us here today, and I don't wanna waste any salad. On this, we're gonna add celery, which gives it great texture and also a fantastic flavor. We've got some fresh oranges that we're gonna put on here. Look how pretty this is. Now, if you wanna do a special Thanksgiving salad this year, how about one with oranges and pecans and fresh cranberry dressing? Y'all use any kind of cheese that you'd like. We got some goat cheese going on here today. And then I'm gonna just stream this onto our dressing, onto our salad. Kind of drizzle this around, and then when it's time to eat, you can give this a good turn and make sure that everything is coated well. So pretty, so fresh. 2 of my favorite things in the salad is you get it looking pretty and you use fresh ingredients in it. And look at that, y'all. We have really, that's a fall harvest salad that anybody can get behind. And look how simple it was. All you need is me and Teresa and Eddie at the house, and look how fast y'all can make a salad. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. We'll see y'all around the kitchen. This little bonus footage for y'all. The professionals would cover all this up and never admit to making a mistake. I didn't put any oil in my cranberry dressing, y'all. So I put 1/3 cup of oil in here. And now the world is right again. Okay, thanks y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.